Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Vedantu Commerce, guys. Hi Prasanna, a very good evening. I hope I am pronouncing your name correct. Hi Sandeep, a very good evening. So hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. Hi Lavanya. How are you guys? How are you Lavanya? How are you Sandeep? Volume is too low. It's all okay from my side. Please check your device settings also एक बार. Let me check it also. Just give me a second. It's all okay from my side. Maybe some technical glitch, but we can manage with it now. Good. I am also good, Lavanya. We all are good. What about you? I am also good, Sandeep. Hi, Kashish. Hi, Komal. A very good evening. How are you? I am all good, Komal. So, hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Vedantu Commerce. And in case you guys are new to our channel or you're watching me for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. Do subscribe our channel now for more such live classes with me. Also, I hope that all of you have liked this video. You all have hit the thumbs up icon. If you have still not liked the video, then please take a minute to like this video and share it with your friends. Good. मैं भी एकदम बढ़िया कशिश, एकदम मस्त, झकास. So, as you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session. This is our Lakshya batch. And in this session, we are going to continue the same chapter, issue of debentures. And the topic that we are going to discuss today is very, very, very important. That is issue of debentures with terms of redemption. But before that, we will be first discussing the homework that I gave you in the previous class. So raise your hands. How many of you have tried this question? किस किसने अपना होमवर्क किया है? Tell me quickly. नहीं, अभी collateral security नहीं हुआ. That we will discuss in next class, Sandeep. Okay, you are new here, so do subscribe our channel for collateral security as it will be done in next class. Komal, you have tried this question, okay. What about you, Kashish? Okay, Lavanya is also new. So I hope your first experience is the best one with me. Okay, so those who have not tried the question, those who are new, it's completely okay. I will be helping you in this question. So in the last class, we have done issue of shares for consideration other than cash. And this question belongs to the same topic. So let's solve it now and let's see at what journal entry will be passed in this question. So the question is, Lotus Limited took over assets of rupees 2,50,000 and liabilities of 30,000 of gone by company for the purchase consideration of rupees 3,30,000. We are purchasing the entire business. So what is the journal entry in the case of purchase of business? You will debit all the assets that you have purchased. Assets account debit 2,50,000. Then we will credit liabilities because we are also purchasing liabilities of 30,000. And then we will credit the vendor. We are purchasing it from gone by company. So we will credit vendor by purchase consideration 3,30,000. Now this is the first entry. But in this entry, the rule of dual entry concept, the dual aspect concept is not followed because the debit is not equal to credit. As you can see, the credit side 3,60,000 is more than 2,50,000. So the balancing figure, that is 60. Okay, the balancing figure will be 360 minus, it will be 110. The balancing figure 1,10,000. It will be what? It will be goodwill. So the balancing figure is goodwill 1,10,000. Yes, it is absolutely correct, Sandeep. Well done. So this is our first entry. Now, it is mentioned that Lotus Limited, you paid the purchase consideration by issuing debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% premium. We are making the payment through issue of debentures. So the journal entry will be vendor account debit, gone by company account debit, to percentage debentures account, to securities premium reserve, because the debentures are issued at premium. And for this journal entry, we need to calculate number of debentures to be issued. हमें क्या calculate करना पड़ेगा कि कितने debentures हम issue करें. So divide the purchase consideration 3,30,000 by issue price, that is 100 plus 10, 110. So 3,30,000 divided by 110, it will be 3,000. So how many debentures we will issue? 3,000 debentures. So gone by company account debit, vendor account debit 3,30,000, 2% debentures, 3,000 debentures multiplied by the face value 100, 2 securities premium reserve, 3,000 debentures multiplied by the premium 10 rupees. So this is how you will pass journal entry in this question. So this is the answer. We had to pass these two journal entries. First, you purchase business. Second, you issue debentures to that vendor. And here we have the calculation for number of debentures to be issued. So how many debentures we have issued? 3,000. So tell me, is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Crystal clear, Lavanya. Okay. Clear, Komal? So I hope that this is now clear to everyone. So now moving on to our next topic at today's session, that is issue of debentures with redemption terms. So, are you guys ready for this session? Yes or no? Are we ready, guys? Yes, okay. So let's start the session now without any delay. So, first we need to understand what do we mean by this issue of debentures from the redemption point of view. Now, redemption, what do we mean by redemption? Redemption means we have to repay the money of debentures. Whatever we have borrowed through debentures, that amount has to be repaid. जो भी आपने पैसा डिबेंचर्स को इशू करके रेस किया था, वो पैसा अब वापस आपको करना है. And when this amount is repayable, when the debentures are redeemed, it can be either redeemed at par. Okay, suppose the face value is 100. एक डिबेंचर कितने का है? 100 रुपीस का है. You have issued it for 100. आपने वो इशू भी कितने में किया? 100 में किया. मतलब आपने एक डिबेंचर के बदले में कितना पैसा रेस किया? 100 rupees. Now, in future, when they will be redeemed, they can be either redeemed at par. They can be either redeemed at par. मतलब you have to pay 100 in return of 100. 100 रुपए के डिबेंचर के बदले में आपको 100 रुपए ही देने हैं. Or it may happen that these are redeemed at premium. They are redeemable at premium. We have to pay 120 in future. The face value is 100 rupees, but after 10 years, you have to pay 120 for one debenture. So you have to pay 20 rupees extra, and that is premium. So if you have to pay any extra amount at the time of redemption, that means it is premium at the time of redemption. So it is very important to understand that debentures can either be redeemed at par or it can be redeemed at premium. And keeping these two things in mind, we have so many different cases in this chapter. So let's now have a look at various cases of issue of debentures from redemption point of view. And yes, Sandeep, you're absolutely correct. Total we have 6 cases. First case that we have is debentures are issued at par and they are redeemable also at par. Issued at par, redeemable at par. Then, issued at discount. 100 rupees share is issued for 90 rupees and it is redeemable at par. You have to pay 100 in return. Then, third case is issued at premium. 100 rupees share is issued for 140. It is issued at premium, but it is redeemable at par. So these are the first 3 cases, and you won't trust me that we have already covered these cases. These cases we have already discussed. In the first class, I have told you the journal entries for issued at par, issued at premium, issued at discount. The journal entries will be exactly same in this case also because they are redeemable at par. तो ये 3 cases हम already कर चुके हैं. Now what's new in this session? The remaining 3 cases are absolutely new for everyone. So the fourth case we have is issued at par. It is issued at par, but it is redeemable at premium. Then issued at discount and redeemable at premium. And last but not the least, issued at premium and redeemable also at premium. So these are the 3 cases which are new for all of us, and we are going to learn them in brief in this session. So we will be discussing all the cases one by one from 1st to 6th, and with that, stay tuned till the end of this session. Hi Priyanshi. So let's first start with the first case. The first case that we have is issued at par and redeemable at par. Hi Vanshika. I am all good. I hope you are also well. So here we have the first case when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. Now let me take an example first of all. For example, the face value is 100 and the issue price is also 100 because it is issued at par and it is redeemable also at par. So the redemption value is also 100. Mamta, par means the issue price and the face value are same. You issued it at 100 and the face value is also 100. So when face value and issue price are same, it is known as issued at par. ये चैप्टर काफी लंबा है वंशिका, तो अभी इसके 3-4 क्लासेस और आएंगी. Now, first we will receive application money. Let's pass the journal entry for application money. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. You will receive 100 rupees because debentures are issued at a value of 100. The issue price is 100. So we are receiving 100 rupees. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. And as they are issued at par, as they are redeemable at par, the second entry will be also simple. We will transfer this application money to percentage debentures account. So debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures. 100 and 100. So these are the entries in the first case and there is nothing new in this. We have already discussed these entries before as well. So first we received the entry. First we received application money, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, and debenture application and allotment debit to percentage debentures. So let me show you it now. Here you can see these are the 2 entries. Is it clear, guys? Clear, Komal? Great. What about others? Crystal clear, Priyanshi? Okay. So, now we will be discussing an example of this question. Now, let's do a question of this so that we get the idea कि paper में कैसे questions आने वाले हैं. And here we have your question. The question is, a debenture is issued at 100 and it is repayable at 100. The same example that I have already taken. The face value is 100, the issue price is 100 and the redeemable value is also 100. So we will pass two journal entries. Bank account debit to debenture application account. We will receive the issue price 100 rupees. Then we will transfer the debenture application money to percentage debentures account. So debenture application account debit to percentage debentures 100 rupees and 100 rupees. So debentures are issued at par and they are redeemable at par. So this is your solution. Now coming on to our second case. The second case that we have is when the debentures are issued at discount but they are redeemable at par. So they are issued at discount but they are redeemable at par. Let's take an example. The face value is 100 rupees. The issue price is 90 rupees because the debentures are issued at discount. So issue price will be less than the face value. You have given discount of 10 rupees. So 100 minus 10 rupees discount, the issue price is 90. Then they are redeemable at par. So the redemption value, the redeemable value is 100 rupees. Redeemable at par, so it will be 100. Now, the first entry will be application money received. We are receiving application money, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. Now tell me what will be the amount in this journal entry. क्या amount होगी इस journal entry में? How much amount you will record? Come on, I am waiting for your answers. So, no answers. Very disappointing, guys. We will receive issue price because the debentures are issued for 90 rupees. So, you will receive 90 rupees. In first entry, we will always record the issue price. So, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, 90 rupees. The second entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit. How much? 90. Debenture application and allotment account debit. Now, the debentures are issued at discount. So discount on issue of debentures account debit. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 10 rupees, 2% debentures 100. So these are the journal entries when debentures are issued at discount and they are redeemable at par. First entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 90 rupees the issue price. Second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit, 2% debentures. So here you can see the answer. Ek minute. Sorry. There we go with the answer. Bank account debit to debenture application debit, discount debit, 2% debentures. Now, we have also covered these journal entries in our previous classes. ये एंट्री भी हमने पहले करी हुई है. As discount is a loss for the company, it will be debited in the books. As all expenses and losses are debited, discount is also debited. Now, let's see the example. And guys, if you be silent like this, then there will be no fun in taking the session. So please write something in chat box, ask your doubts or whether you are getting the topic or not. If chat box will be like this, then class conduct करने में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आएगा. Class बहुत boring हो जाएगी, तो please be active guys. So here we have the question, and the question is 40,000. Now, please pay attention. It is rupees 40,000. So, this is not number of debenture. These are rupees 40,000 debentures. So, first you have to calculate the number of debentures. How many debentures are issued? So, this is rupees 40,000. You will divide rupees 40,000 by the face value 100 rupees. So how many debentures are issued? 400 debentures. So 400 debentures are issued at a discount of 10%, redeemable at par. We are issuing 400 debentures of 100 rupees at a discount of 10%. So 100 minus 10, the issue price is 90. And they are redeemable at par. So the face value, the redeemable value is 100. Now we have to pass the journal entry. So the first journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. And I told you in the first entry we will record the issue price. So issue price is 90. In first entry we will record 90 and we will multiply it with the number of debentures. Number of debentures are 400. So 90 multiplied by 400, issue price multiplied by number of debentures. So we will receive 36,000. We will receive 36,000. And then the next entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture debit, 2% debenture. In debenture application and allotment, you will record 90 rupees. In discount, you will record 10 rupees. In percentage debentures, you will record 100 rupees. 90, 10 and 100. and then you will multiply it with number of debentures, that is 400. So 36,000, 4,000 and 40,000. This is your answer. Now, most of the students, they make the mistake here because they don't read it as rupees 40,000. They read it as 40,000 debentures. So they will multiply 90 with 40,000. And that will make your entire answer wrong. So always remember that if it is rupees 40,000, then first you have to find out number of debentures. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Clear, Komal? Okay. What about others? Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now moving on to our third case. The next case that we have is when debentures are issued at premium and they are redeemable at par. So let's take an example of this also. The face value is rupees 100. The issue price is 120 because they are issued at premium. So issue price will be more than the face value. And the redemption value is 100 because they are redeemable at par. So issue price 120, redeemable value 100 rupees. Now the first entry will be same. You will receive application money, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. So tell me how much amount you will receive on application. कितना पैसा मिलेगा एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे अपन लोगों को? So, on application, we will be getting 120 rupees because the debentures are issued for 120, and I told you that in first entry, we will record the issue price. So, on application, we will receive 120. Now, the second entry, we will transfer the application money to percentage debentures account. So, debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures to securities premium reserve account because debentures are issued at premium. So, debenture application and allotment debit 120. 2 percentage debenture, the face value is 100, the nominal value is 100, and 2 security premium reserve, premium is 20. So these are the 2 journal entries when debentures are issued at premium and they are redeemable at par. Please have a look at these journal entries. And tell me, is it clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Now moving on to the example of this question. So here we have the example and the question is again rupees 40,000 debentures. Rupees 40,000 debenture means 400 debentures of rupees 100 each are issued at a premium of 5%. So the face value is 100. The issue price is 100 plus 5, 105. The issue price is 105 because it is issued at 5 rupees premium. And they are redeemable at par. So the redeemable value is 100 rupees. Par पे redeem हुआ है मतलब the redemption value is same as the face value. Now first entry, you will receive application money, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. We will receive issue price 105, 105. And the issue price will be multiplied with number of debentures. The issue price will be multiplied with number of debentures. So this is the first entry. Then the application money will be transferred to percentage debentures account. So 12% debenture application and allotment debit. Application and allotment debit 105. 2 percentage debenture. In percentage debentures, we will transfer the face value 100 rupees. And 2 security premium reserve. In premium, we will transfer 5 rupees. So 105 multiplied by 400, 100 multiplied by 400, 5 multiplied by 400. This is your solution. Please have a look at it. And tell me, is this question clear to everyone? No, Komal, I don't think that this chapter is difficult. If you have done shares thoroughly, then this chapter will be easy for you. But if shares was difficult for you, then this will be also difficult. Hi, Prateek. So this was a third case when debentures are issued at premium and they are redeemable at par. So I hope that this topic is clear to everyone. Now, if you guys want to solve more questions like this with me, then you can join our special accountancy crash course, which is available for both the classes, for class 11th as well as class 12th. So you might be thinking what we will be getting in this crash course. So in this crash course, you will be getting full syllabus revision in live classes. We will be revising every chapter in live class. Not only this, these live classes will be recorded also. So you will be getting the recordings for all the classes for your future reference. And you will also get handwritten notes, summary notes after every class. So if you want to revise the topic same day, if you are a person who like notes, then you will be getting the ready-made notes after every session. And last but not the least, In the crash courses, with this crash course, you can also ask unlimited doubts on our mobile app, on Vedantu's app. So you can download our mobile app and you can upload the picture of your doubts and you can ask all your doubts over there. So all these benefits are available in our crash course. And right now it is only available for 1350 rupees. It is available at such an affordable price. And if you want extra 10% discount, then for discount you can use my code SCPRO. SCPRO. So now let me show you how you can enroll for these courses. If you want to take this crash course, then you have to visit the description box. So this is the description box, guys, below this video. Now you have to scroll down and in the description box there is hand emoji. There are so many dots. Between these so many dots, you will find this link for crash course, special accountancy crash course for class 12. And when you click on the link, you will come to our website. And after coming to our website, you need to scroll down and then you can choose your plan, that whether you want to take Pro Light or Pro Classic. And as you can see, the prices are again reduced. The prices are again reduced to such an affordable price, only 750. Can you trust this? You have to pay only 750 for the entire syllabus of accountancy, in which you are getting live classes, test series, assignment, notes, doubt solving, everything. So this is available for only a limited time, guys. If you want all these benefits for only and only 750 rupees, then do grab it now, enroll it now, and don't forget to use my code SCPRO. So now we will be coming to our next topic. The next topic that we have is what will happen if debentures are redeemable at premium. Right now, in all the previous cases, we were talking about redeemable at par, redeemable at par, redeemable at par. The debentures were redeemed at par in all the previous 3 cases. But what will happen if the debentures are redeemable at premium? So please pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. The face value, एक minute, let me change the color. The face value is 100 rupees. The issue price is also 100 rupees. They are issued at par. But the redemption value, the redeemable value is 120. So first of all, please note this down, that we will always compare the redeemable value with the face value. Don't compare the redeemable value with the issue price. We will compare the redeemable value with the face value. So, the debenture face value is 100 rupees. And in return of 100, you have to pay 120. 100 रुपए के डिबेंचर के बदले में हमें कितना पैसा देना पड़ रहा है? 120 रुपए. So we have to pay extra 20 rupees. And this 20 rupees is premium on redemption. It is premium on redemption. Now, what will be the treatment of this premium on redemption? So, this 20 rupees, which is premium on redemption, it will have two effect on your books. It will have two effect on your books. What are those two effect? First of all, it is payable on redemption. ये प्रीमियम हमें कब पे करना है? रिडेम्पशन पे, which will be after 10 years, 15 years. Debentures will be redeemed after a long period. So it is payable in future. ये प्रीमियम हमें फ्यूचर में पे करना है. Hence it is a liability. This premium on redemption is a liability and hence it will be credited to premium on redemption. I will tell you when it will be credited. So it is a liability as it is payable in future. And another thing, as in return of 100, you have to pay 120. 100 रुपए के बदले में आपको 120 रुपए देने पड़ रहे हैं. This is also a loss for the business. This is also a loss for the business. Hence, it will be debited in the books. Hence, it will be debited in the books. Loss on issue of debenture account debit. So, whenever the debentures are redeemable at premium, whenever the debentures are redeemable at premium, you will debit loss on issue of debenture and you will credit premium on redemption. आपको दो चीजों का हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. आप लॉस ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर को डेबिट करोगे और आप प्रीमियम ऑन रिडेम्पशन को क्रेडिट करोगे. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Now coming on to our fourth case. The fourth case that we have is when debentures are issued at par and are redeemable at premium. So debentures are issued at par, but they are redeemable at premium. So let's take an example for this. The face value is 100 rupees. The issue price is 100 rupees because they are issued at par, but they are redeemable at premium. So the redeemable value is 110. We have to repay at premium. So redemption value is more than the face value. Now, the first entry will be application money received. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. How much you will receive on application? 100 rupees because the issue price is 100. So, we will receive 100 rupees on the time of application. Now, the second entry. The first entry is bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. We have received 100 rupees at the time of application. Face value was 100, issue price was 100, but the redeemable value was 110. Now, the second entry is when the application money is transferred to the percentage debenture, the entry is debenture application and allotment debit to percentage debentures account. Debenture application and allotment debit 100 to percentage debenture face value is 100. This is the normal entry. Now, there is premium also. The debentures are redeemable at 10 rupees premium. This is premium on redemption. And I told you, whenever there is premium on redemption, there are two effects. First, you will debit loss on issue of debenture as it is a loss for the company. So, loss on issue of debentures, debit 10 rupees and you will credit premium on redemption as it is a liability that is payable in future. So, whenever premium on redemption is given, you will debit loss on issue of debenture and you will credit premium on redemption. So, this is the second entry. Debenture application and allotment debit, loss on issue of debenture debit to percentage debenture to premium on redemption. So let me show you the answer and here we have it. Is it clear to everyone? I know this must be tricky for you if you are doing it for the first time, but trust me, this is not that tough. You have to practice these journal entries again and again if you want to become a master in this. So now we will do an example of this also. So here you can see the example, guys. A company issued rupees 40,000 debentures. Rupees 40,000, you have to calculate the number of debentures. So there are 400 debentures. They are issued at par. So the face value is 100. The issue price is also 100, but they are redeemable at 10% premium. So the redeemable value is 100 plus 10, 110. This is the redeemable value. Now first you will receive application money. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. We will receive application money and it will be 100 rupees because the issue price is 100. Then the second entry, first you will pass the normal entry. Debenture application and allotment account debit 100 to percentage debentures account face value is 100. So first we have passed the normal journal entry. Then there is a 10 rupees premium on redemption. There is 10 rupees premium on redemption. For that, we will debit loss on issue of debenture and we will credit premium on redemption. So debit 10 rupees, credit 10 rupees. That's it. This is your answer. Hi, Kansha. So this is the answer. We received application money 100 rupees, then we transferred application money to percentage debenture, and we debited loss on issue of debenture, and we credited premium on redemption. And it will be multiplied with number of debentures, that was 400. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Clear? Super duper. Okay, Komal. So with this, we have completed 4 cases. Issued at par, redeemable at par. Issued at discount, redeemable at par. Issued at premium, redeemable at par. And this 4th case, issued at par, redeemable at premium. Now the next 2 cases are a little bit tricky, so I would like you all to give your 100% attention. So the 5th case that we have is when debentures are issued at discount and they are redeemable at premium. They are issued at discount and they are redeemable at premium. Let's take an example first. The face value is 100 rupees. Now it is issued at discount. So the issue price is 90 rupees. 100 minus 10 rupees discount. The issue price is 90 rupees. And they are redeemable at premium. So the suppose premium is 20 rupees. So the redeemable value is 120. They are issued at discount. So issue price is 90 rupees and they are redeemable at premium. So for 100 rupees we have to pay 120. They are redeemable at premium. Now how will we pass journal entry in this case? So the first entry will be, we will receive application money. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. How much money you will receive? The issue price is 90, so we will receive 90 rupees on application. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. Now, first of all, we will pass the normal entry. What is the entry when debentures are issued at discount? What is the entry? The entry is debenture application and allotment account debit. Discount on issue of debenture. Debit to percentage debentures account. This is the normal entry, guys. When debentures are issued at discount, we pass this entry. Debenture application and allotment debit 90 rupees. Discount on issue of debenture debit 10 rupees. To percentage debentures 100 rupees. Debenture application and allotment debit, discount on issue of debenture debit to percentage debentures. Now, the face value is 100 and the redeemable value is 120. Face value is 100, the redeemable value is 120. So this is 20 rupees premium on redemption. This 20 rupees is premium on redemption. So there are two effects for this. How many effects are there? Two effects. First, you will debit loss on issue of debentures. You will debit loss on issue of debentures 20 rupees and you will credit premium on redemption 20 rupees. You will debit loss on issue of debenture and you will credit premium on redemption. So this is the journal entry when debentures are redeemable at when debentures are redeemable at premium and issued at discount. So first you have to pass the normal entry and then you can insert the effect of premium on redemption. That's it. Is this clear, guys? Here we have the solution. Clear, Komal? Okay. So first we received application money 90 rupees. Then we pass the normal entry. Debenture application and allotment debit 90 rupees. Discount on issue of debenture debit 10 rupees. 2% debentures 100 rupees. And then later on we have inserted loss on issue of debenture premium 20 rupees. 2 premium on redemption 20 rupees. Now coming on to the last case. The sixth case that we have is when debentures are issued at premium and they are redeemable at premium. So issued at premium and redeemable also at premium. Let's take an example. The face value is 100 rupees. Okay, just give me a second. The face value is 100 rupees. The issue price is 110. They are issued at premium. 100 rupees share is issued for 110. And they are redeemable also at premium. So the redemption value is 120. You have to pay 20 rupees premium on redemption. So this is the example. Now we will pass the journal entries. So first we will receive application money. Just give me a second. So first we will receive application money and the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. We are receiving application money and how much we will receive? We will receive 110 because the issue price is 110. This is the first entry. Now we will pass the second entry, the normal entry. When debentures are issued at premium, the journal entry is debenture application and allotment debit 2% debentures 2 securities premium reserve. This is the entry. Debenture application and allotment debit 110. 2% debenture. Face value is 100. 2 securities premium. The premium is 10. We have issued at a premium of 10. This is the normal entry. Now, look at the premium on redemption. The face value is 100, but we have to pay 120 at the time of redemption. So this 20 rupees is premium on redemption. Now we will record it. Debit loss on issue of debenture 20 rupees, and credit premium on redemption 20 rupees. So this is your answer. Debenture application and allotment debit, loss on issue of debenture debit, 2% debenture, 2 securities premium reserve, 2 premium on redemption. And here we have your journal entries. Tell me, is this clear to everyone? Is this case clear to you guys? Clear? Okay. So with this, we have completed your session. We have completed all the cases. Now, let me introduce all of you to our super amazing class teachers. So here we have an awesome class teacher for accountancy. So this is Neerav sir, who will be teaching you accountancy next year. Neerav sir has more than 8 years of teaching experience. He had taught more than 8,000 students, and also he got thousands of students successfully cleared CA Foundation exam. Then we have another awesome class teacher, subject teacher for accountancy. So here we have Shri Raj sir. Shri Raj sir is again a teacher for accountancy, and he has 11 years of teaching experience. He has been teaching from last 11 years, and he had taught more than 10,000 students. Also, he held teacher training sessions for reputed institutions. So these are two awesome class subject teachers for accountancy, and then you have me. So now it's time for your homework, and this question is your homework. There are different cases, and you have to pass journal entries in all these cases. So try these questions for sure, guys, because after that you will be able to judge yourself that you are able to understand these journal entries or not. So please, please, please try it at your home. And in the next class, we will be doing another important topic, issue of debentures as collateral security. So we will do this on Wednesday at 9 p.m. So stay tuned for our next class. We'll see you all at 9 p.m. And if you guys are new to our channel, if you're watching me for the first time, then please do subscribe our channel. And yes, if you like today's session, then please do hit the like button, do like it, and do share it with your friends. And if you want to attend more such live classes with me, then you can take special accountancy crash course, which is now available for only and only 750 rupees. You have to only pay 750 for entire term 2 syllabus. No, it will be on Wednesday, Komal. So now I will see you all in the next class on Wednesday. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining me now. Thank you so much and bye bye. Good night. Have sweet dreams.